Installing toner in the HP LaserJet Pro MFP M125-128 printer series. Start with the power turned off and the printer on a flat, even surface. Lift the top cover, then open the toner cartridge access door. The toner cartridge comes partially installed but is not ready to use. Remove the cartridge from the cartridge access area. Remove the orange protective tape on the cartridge that covers the contacts by lifting straight up on the tab. Next, remove the protective tape by pulling the tape's tab. Hold the cartridge firmly with one hand and pull firmly until the tape is freed from the cartridge. Hold the cartridge face down and make sure the tabs on the cartridge line up with the tabs inside the cartridge access area. Slide the cartridge straight down and press down until you hear a click. Close the toner cartridge access door, then close the top cover.